Welcome back to another unbox and swatch video. This one is going to be the Caran Marine Assortment of 20 Museum Aquarelle watercolor pencils. Now we've done other of the Museum Aquarelle pencils. Please be sure to check that one out. I reviewed the pencils and their performance. These are very high-end pencils. But today we're going to be looking at this particular set and the colors that come in the Marine Assortment set and swatch them out. So let's go ahead and open this up, and if you haven't watched our other video, one of the first things that you notice is that they're packaged like a high-end electronic device. I mean, there's almost like a little bit of a hermetic pull when you take the lid off. And then the pencils are in really nice and tight. You have some paperwork inside, shows you some of the other sets that they make and a little bit more information. And then you have your pencils nicely arranged for you in the set. Alright, so what I'm going to do is grab some watercolor paper. We're going to be using our Fabriano 140-pound cold press watercolor paper. And we're going to lay down the pencils. I'm going to do pretty heavy-handed, and then I'm going to lighten up a little bit. We're going to do every color, laying them down dry, and then I'll go back in with a Mimic Kolinsky size 6 round brush to fill them in for consistency. And again, if you haven't watched any of our videos about these museum pencils before, it's very important to note that there is a lot of pigment in this pencil. It's a very thick lead. It's bigger than a traditional pencil. So when you look at the price of this set, you also have to consider the fact that you're getting a lot more than you would in a traditional size watercolor pencil. So this is really pretty great in terms of packaging, but let's see how they perform and what colors they chose for their marine set. Alright, so there you have your dry color put down on the watercolor paper. Let's grab our Mimic Kolinsky round size 6, add some water, and see what they look like. Alright, so there you have it. This is the marine set of 20 colors of the Museum Aquarelle by Caran. Really nice selection of colors. I can see how you can make very easy seascapes with these colors, including beautiful sunsets, sunrises, rocks, and other various sea creatures if you so desire to make. Really nice selection of colors, beautiful pencils, really superior. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing swatch. Please be sure to like the video if it was helpful to you and subscribe to our channel to see future unboxing swatches. And we'll see you at the next one.